Hello guys, here you can see one more video me came about the machine learning, and in today's machine learning video, I am telling about the linear algebra. So if you don't know what is linear algebra, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it, what is linear algebra in machine learning, and that tomorrow in this channel one surprise is coming for you, so get ready for that at 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. okay, hey tomorrow, okay, the one surprise is coming, so get ready for that. But please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our future later videos. So I did not take a long time, so let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So let's talk about what a linear algebra in machine learning. So let's get started without wasting our time. So now let's learn about it. So in today's video there are not any rocket science. This is a very simple video. You only know what is linear algebra. So let's get started. Or if you see my previous video, linear functions, that video. So now this is very easier to know about what are linear algebra. Machine learning experts, there are many machine learning experts who make the machine learning, cannot live without linear algebra. This sentence means like who make the linear machine learning experts, like very high level machine learning experts, cannot live without the linear algebra. Why? What is the very main focus in linear algebra? Let me tell you. First is ML make heavy use of scalars. What? ML means machine learning. It make a heavy use of scalars. Number 2, machine learning make heavy use of vectors also. What? Vectors also. Machine learning make heavy use of matrices. What? ML machine learning make heavy use of matrix. Number 4 is machine learning make heavy use of tensors. What about the tensors? The purpose of this chapter is to highlight the parts of linear algebra that is used in data science project, where in the data science projects like machine learning, deep learning. If you don't know what are deep learning, so I have told you about it, what are deep learning in this series. Okay, so go ahead and see it, and the playlist link is in the section below. This is one example of the scalar and the vectors, then the matrix and tensors. Here you can see it. Vectors and matrix. Vectors and matrix are the language of data. What? Vectors and matrix are the languages of data. What? Languages of data. With ML means machine learning, most things are done with vectors and matrices. With vectors and matrices, you can discover secrets. What? You can discover secrets like scalars. In a linear algebra, a scalar is a single number. What? In a linear algebra, a scalar is a single number. In JavaScript, it can be written like a constant or a variable. Like that, this one syntax, here you can see it. Syntax, okay, this is syntax, not an example. Vectors. In linear algebra, a vector is an array of number. A vector is an array of number. In JavaScript, it can be written as an array, like this one syntax. Like in JavaScript, it can be written as an array, like look like this, it looking like this. Here you can see it. Let me copy it and let me run it for your knowledge. You can. Now let me it. Now it take a little bit loading, but it will be open very easily. Yes. Then let me close our PHP. Then I click recreate REPL, and here I like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then I create REPL. So it take a little bit loading, but it will be open very easily like that. Then when it will be open, so let me tell you what you can do. It take a little bit loading, but like that it will be open. So now what we can do, let me tell you, we not make any such type of JavaScript file or that type. What we can do, we simply go here and simply we erase it and paste this code here. But when you run it, it should give in output. Let me show you. I am thinking it not give you any output. I am thinking that here you can see it not giving me any output because this is one syntax like I've told you here. Okay, so anyways, let's get started. An array can have multiple dimensions. What? An array can multiple dimensional, but A vector is a one-dimensional array. A vector can be written in many ways. In the vector has been written in many ways. Which type of ways? Now let me tell some common, some most common are. This is common, and this one more common. This one example I am showing you, a vector can be written in many ways. But anyways, let's come down. The image to the left is a vector. Okay, this image to the left is vector. The length shows the magnitude and the arrow shows the direction. Okay, these arrow, the image to the left is a vector and the length of shows the magnitude and the arrow shows the direction. Okay, so like that. Now let's come on it here. Learn more. Matrices. In linear algebra, a matrix is a two-dimensional array. Okay, like that. This one syntax, this one example diagram. Here you can see it. In two-dimensional array, the matrix is a two-dimensional array. Like that. Here you can see it. In JavaScript, a matrix is an array with two indices. Indexes means like that. Here you can see the one example. It might give me nothing output. Let me show you. Let me run it. Now here you can say not give me nothing output because I not write that any such thing. It give me the output. Tensors. A tensor is an n-dimensional matrix. Okay, like that. Here you can see it. This one diagram it's showing you. This one n-dimensional matrix. Here you can see it. In JavaScript, a tensor is an array. What in JavaScript? A tensor in an array with multiple indices means indexes, or you called indexes. Okay, now linear algebra is a branch of mathematics, and our series is also started from of the mathematics. Okay, that concerns linear equations. Okay, and linear and representations in vector spaces and through matrices. Linear algebra is central to almost all areas of mathematics, or you can learn more, learn more about the linear algebra. So you can go on to the Wikipedia. Okay, but anyways, in today's video, I told you about what a linear algebra. Okay, and I told you about many things of the linear algebra and many such type of thing. And you know, our series has been not started like previous videos. Our series has been started about the mathematics. Okay, if you following my playlist, so who know that you know that. Okay, but I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's video, we learn about what a linear algebra in machine learning. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. So you don't miss our future later videos. So but anyways, I meet you next class next for amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.